Check it out. Now we are logging the mouse pixel position when we click. Let's take a look at that code. We got some monkey wrench macros here. We have the mouse position X and Y for when we move. We have the click position X and Y for when we click. And this is in terms of pixels. The units are pixels here. They're inside of the EddyGame editor object. These are different from the DMX, DMY variables because DMX and DMY are in discrete units. In the mouse mask move function, we get the X and Y position of the mouse and we load it into the EddyGame object. Same thing with the click handler. We get the click position from the object, load it into EddyGame, and we also log the position here. This is what we did previously. This just denotes that we stole some code from hotel13.js. Anytime you see this tag, the code was stolen from hotel13.js in the documentation. What we did in this video. You've been on this playlist. You can get the source code here. Video 144, like and subscribe.